Hello guys, with this simple mini video, I'm going to show you how to use for free, without limitations and without installations, the new artificial intelligence system dedicated to graphics and the generation of realistic images, Pixar or Walt Disney style, cyberpunk, and much more. To use Fooocus, you can find the link below in the description. Just click on it and this page will appear. Sorry for some foreign language writings on the browse.
To use Fooocus, you can find the link below in the description. Just click on it and this page will appear. Sorry for some foreign language writings on the browser. Here you will find a button similar to a Play of a Kid player. By clicking on it, the connection with the servers and with the calculation process provided by their systems is started. Also during the process, it will automatically download some processes useful for operation. A warning opens, you confirm by clicking on Run Anyway. You have to wait a few minutes. Be patient. It's worth it. When you see this reading with two links next to it, namely app started successful, you can click on the second link, and another page of your browser will open with the default Fooocus program. Now you can use all its potential for free and without overloading your computer. It may happen that sometimes it disconnects from the servers, so I advise you to always save your generated images so as not to lose them. It took about 3 minutes to open Focus.
Let me know in the comments how much you commit. Thanks. If you liked this video, I kindly ask you to support me by putting a simple like and clicking on the bell to follow and learn about all the procedures of Focus and this new algorithmic technology that is invading the world. See you soon.